Hi everybody, Elizabeth here from Petals and Parchment. Welcome to my channel. Thank you for joining me today. I wanted to make an exciting announcement about a prize that I'm offering this month for the Springtime Reverie kit, which is available in my Ko-fi shop. In the Petals and Parchment papery for $5 a month, you get a full giant kit and a ton of bonus pages each month. This month is really special because I'm doing a full journal tutorial from start to finish, and this is what we have so far. This is my Do-si-do or Dos-a-Dos journal. We've constructed the journal so far and added the signatures, and we've also added some pockets if you're following along, and I wanted to invite you in on the fun. So I'm going to be having a drawing for a prize this month for anyone that posts in the Facebook group and comments on the YouTube videos. I've got a prize here and I wanted to share that with you. Here is the first bit of the prize, which is some metal dies, including whale tail tabs and some letters and other goodies in here. So there's a packet of metal dies. There's a few bone folders. And there is a binding tool that comes with an awl and some waxed thread, and I don't know if you can see through the bubble wrap here, but like a binding cradle that will help you bind your signatures into the journal. I've also got this set of stamps, which is pretty cool for making cards or decorating your own ephemera. And then we've also got a container of assorted brads. I'm also going to put some other surprise goodies in here. Now, what do you have to do to win this awesome prize? Well, that's quite simple. You just get the kit over at Ko-fi for $5. You can join for just the month, or you can stay and be part of the fun every month. The choice is yours. And then just post your makes in the Facebook group. For every post that you make, you get one entry into the drawing. And if you use the kit, then you get 2 entries. And just so that everyone can participate, I'm going to be offering a freebie here, which is a pocketed hidden paper clip so that everybody can participate if you're not able to join the membership. And so look at this cutie. You just hook it onto your page like so. And there will be a tutorial later on Friday. Sophie's going to show us how to make this on her Friday Make series. So if you're getting this freebie and you're not quite sure how to make it, you'll definitely want to go check out Sophie's channel and like and subscribe and leave a comment there. And then I would love it if you would leave your feedback on this video as well. This prize is open to anyone in the US. I'm very sorry to my international friends, but if an international person wins, then I can give them a kit from my shop. And then we'll do a second drawing for the prize here. So yeah, I'm really excited. Everybody come show us what you're making in the Facebook group, Petals and Parchment. We love to see your creativity shine, and I hope you have a lovely crafty day. Bye!